Sirocco in for rear bumper damage, front bumper damage. And for all you Volkswagen Audi owners, VAG. A lot of your colour codes are in the boot. Sometimes it's a struggle finding them. But if it is going to be there, it will be under here. As you see, the white, it's very dark in here, but there's a white label. And it'll always start with an L. So as it says here, LP3G. That's the colour code for this car. For all you VAG owners, if you want to look for the colour code yourself and you're struggling, it always starts with an L and it should be always in the boot. Sometimes they're scratched off and you can't really see it. Ring TPS, give them your reg or whatnot. You can get the colour code that way. So yeah, just a little video just to let you know how to find your colour code on a Volkswagen. Bash!